Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to build this shower chair. This is a picture of the Homland Shower Chair. And these are the parts that come with the Homland Shower Chair. So this is pretty much the kit right here. We've got the chair right here you'll sit on. It's marked, clearly marked 1, 2, A and B. And then all these are marked 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you've got the screws with the washer. And this is the base. So the base goes in first. And we've got this B right there. We're going to line that up with that B right there. And then we've got this. It says A right there. We're going to line that A and B up together. And they fit in there. There's kind of a little slot right there. And then we have these, what I would call wing nut bolts here with a washer on it. And one goes in the center. And we've got these other ones here, the 4 that hit the different sides. Like I say, we've got B, B, A, and then it's got numbers on there. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So these are the locking bolts and the washer. Again, the seat of the chair to these bars right here. Put those together. And pretty easy. And then these, we have got this one right here will line up with this because this is marked number 1. And we've got a little push-in pin there that locks it in place. So that's number 2 right there. And this is number 2. So as you can see, and that will lock in right like that. And these are adjustable. This is number 3, which is 3 fits right here. Just slides onto there, and you push that little ball in there and pops right through. We're setting at the highest setting here, but they are adjustable. Here's number 4. And like I say, you got all these different settings for all of these. Of course, if you set it at the level here, all of them have to be at the same level, unless you have an unlevel shower, I suppose. But they're fairly easy. Like I say, you got that little pin right there that you have to push in. And we're setting these up so that we're at the highest level. It's pretty sturdy. And on this side, we've already installed it. It's got a little cushion there, and it's pretty durable. And that's all there is to it, really. Like I say, you can have the other different adjustments, but you know, we're going to set it at the highest level. The reason we bought this actually is my wife had hurt her knee, and she's on crutches right now, and to take a shower she said she needed a seat. So I says, well, that's simple enough, and this is what she's going to use. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.